Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aisha, and if you're new to this channel, you're welcome. My channel is about photography, everything lifestyle, beauty, travel, and recipes. Today's video, I'm gonna show you my iftar dinner. I'm gonna make a shepherd's pie. So I'm gonna let you know what you need. You need potatoes, Irish potatoes. I mean, depending on the type, but the classic, you need just Irish potato. Now boil them, mash them. I'm gonna show you, but it's gonna be real quick. It's gonna be a short, quick, and sweet video. And for the pie, the filling, you have ground beef, lamb. I'll be using lamb, but you can use ground beef or ground turkey or whatever you want to use. And I'm gonna use my mixed frozen vegetables. You can use your carrots, green beans, peas, celery. So from sweet corn, whatever you want to use in the filling. And then also obviously you need onion and garlic. And what's for the sauces? You need Worcestershire sauce. What else? Okay, you know what? I'm gonna show you as we cook. So let's dive in. So I'm about to start prepping the meat. So now I'm just gonna take in some olive oil and drizzle it to heat up just a little. I'm gonna put in the onions, and obviously guys, you should know me by now, so I'm gonna add in some chili. And excuse the noisy background, I am boiling the potatoes for the mash. So I'm gonna put some chopped garlic. You can use, guys, you can chop your garlic. I'm just saying, use what you have. I only have sweet onions, so I don't got the red one, but feel free to use whatever you have, guys. I am gonna put in my lamb. You can use ground beef, ground turkey, whatever you're using. This is what I have. The main thing, you want to make sure the meat is fully cooked, like it's brown. So as you can see, it's almost all brown. So right now I'm gonna start putting the seasoning. So I'm gonna put my black pepper, and I'm gonna go in with rosemary and some thyme. So it's just about like half a teaspoon. Then I'm going with the Fitment Cook. This is just extra herbs. It has like lemon peel and all. And I love oregano, so I'm gonna go in with that, like a quarter teaspoon if you're using that. And then I'm gonna use the ground cayenne pepper. Just put in some. I don't want to put too much because I have like 2 habanero already. All spices, all seasoning. I'm going to go in with some salt. I personally prepare sea salt. I mean, that's all I have. I'm using the Himalayan pink salt. You can use just ordinary salt, that's fine. And then because I'm extra, I'm using this Trader Joe's mushroom and the umami something, just to give it an extra Then I am gonna go in with Worcestershire sauce. That's the secret ingredient. I'm just kidding. So just put like 2 tablespoons of that. Sorry guys, as you can see, I measure everything. And then this is optional, guys. So you can go with any cooking wine. So I'm using the extra wine cooking wine. You can use whatever wine you use to cook, non-alcoholic. Yeah, that's my oven. So I'm gonna put like just a dash of that, and I'm gonna go in with some bouillon cube. Obviously I love my Royco. So guys, personally I don't put a lot of salt. I'm mostly more of a seasoning person, if that's even a thing. Okay, so now I'm gonna add in my frozen veggies. So this is carrot, peas, sweet corn. Let me see, I think I have I just more. So just, you know, stir them all together so they're nice evenly coated. And I'm gonna go with more some shredded carrots. You can use celery, you can use peas, whatever vegetables you have. It's a lot, guys, so you don't have to. So I'm gonna add in some more Worcestershire sauce, and I'm gonna add just a teeny tiny bit of chicken, of just any broth or stock you have. Let it simmer for a few minutes, and you can put it inside your casserole dish or whatever baking pan you're gonna use. Hey guys, so I forgot to show this on camera. You need to add tomato paste or sauce to your fillings. It can be more moist and saucy and juicy. So I am gonna pour in some warm milk. I'm gonna put like a tablespoon of butter and kind of stir it in, and then I'll pour in some warm milk just to kind of make it creamy. So you can use hand blender if you got one. You can whisk it whatever, however you want it. So milk is kind. So I'm currently using almond milk because I don't have regular milk. Yeah, I use almond milk mostly for my protein shake. Note that some people like their mash smooth, some chunky, some, you know, however. So do you guys. Like for me, for my mashed potatoes, of course I love that creamy, but for my shepherd's pie, not so much. I just want it to be a little more moist because if it goes in the oven it's gonna be dry. I'm gonna put in some Parmesan cheese. You can use whatever cheese, that's optional. Okay, about a tablespoon. You can do as much as how you like your cheese to be cheesy. My milk is about 1/4 cup, so just so you know. So you can see it's a bit creamy now. You can add more cheese, and also like watery or something, you can add flour. Yolk helps to give it the golden color. Hey guys, so it is all set and ready to go to the oven. Hey guys, so dinner is done. Look at it, guys. This is not even doing it any justice. Guys, remember the egg we put inside? Oh, look here, can you hear the crunch-ish? Oh, see. Hey guys, so this is it, served in a plate. If you like videos like this, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Comment below, let me know what you'd like to see next, and subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any time I post. Thank you.